Winter, spring, summer, fall. Your world looks better through an HR40 window. HR40 Windows will brighten any room with premium glass manufactured to let in more sunlight and unmatched energy efficiency. With exclusive features like heat mirror technology, Krypton Gas, and intercept spacers, HR40 Windows last longer and provide better thermal efficiency, saving you money on your energy bills.
I felt as though it was much higher quality than any other window I had seen.
We're already noticing a difference in the way the house feels.
As a welcome to the HR40 family, we're offering 15% off your new windows to the world.
You'd be hard-pressed to find a better warranty than HR40. Labor, material, lifetime, transferable, you're all set.
Improve the window to your world. Schedule your free in-home estimate today and get 15% off. HR40 Windows. Quality at a lower price.